Let's go live. Let's go live. Let's go live. Okay. Let's see. Where is it? Yes. This is a beautiful thumbnail. Oh my. Let's go live. Let's go live. Let's go live. I'm gonna do an @ here. An @ everyone is too many casualties for the server to handle. We need to do an @ here. I think that just gets the online people. But anywho. Anyways, hello. Okay. Where's my live section? What the frick? What the F-U-C-K? There it is. Good morning. Let me, there we go, mute. Oh my god, right off the bat, just a turtle. Thanks for buying the membership! Okay, yeah, this is just a normal developer stream. But 100K, that's pretty cool. And thanks. Okay, so I'm gonna go code the child AI right now. Right now we only have baby and toddler. Obviously there are more stages to life than just baby and toddler. First and foremost, Cam needs to anchor his goddamn buildings because it lags a lot for some reason when things aren't anchored. So, oh no, not lock, anchor. There we go. Hey Bluey. When does the art contest end? Should I pick a winner right now? I could end it right now. I was just planning on doing that whenever I get to it. But I can do it right now if you want. Naxomi says I'm gay. I'm glad you've went on that path of self-discovery. Naxomi, I'm happy for you on your way to finding your true self. But yes, I plan on just doing a little bit of baby child AI. You know what? Let's just pick the winner for the art contest right now. If you don't know, we already got a DM from Cat Icon. If you don't know, this project, I held a little carrot on a stick in front of some artists, saying they would get a few dollars if they submitted the best original character design, and I would put it in, and they would decide. They would have total liberty over the lore. Which is something I am hesitant to do because last time I did that, Bluey, are you still here? Gave total creative liberty to Bluey. And let's just say a certain ship was almost made canon. There's a little scuffle about that, but that's besides the point. We need to pick. What is going on? Okay. We need to pick the winner. So, let's look at the submissions. And if you want to spam which design you think is the best, then feel free. Months and months of trying to hear what listen for together. Push a friend. Go up. Okay, hold on. We'll get there. Holy crap! I didn't catch this. Mott. Oh my god. This guy's good. This guy's so good. This guy's good at art. Win emoji fire. Okay. Okay, character designs. So, first submission was give me a moment. Was Jesus, where is it? This, but later. Okay, this robot lady, made by DV. So yeah, let me know thoughts on this design. I think it's pretty good. It's very simple too. This is a easily contender in my opinion. Okay, Bluey, you can submit it. You can submit it, Bluey. You said you didn't want your OC to be lost in a dumpster or something. So if you want to bring it to light, I'd be happy to look at it. The second submission is this lamp MF by Karen. Sorry, Karen's disguised as cat icon. Third submission is this pink-haired woman. She even has a little blurb about her backstory, right? Pretty cool. She's in a desperate need of a job. That is why she is looking after kids. If we enhance the image, I don't actually know how to do that. I don't think you can. She has kind of a deranged look on her face. She probably does not want to be here, but interesting little lore. Next up, this design, gambler perhaps, allows you to gamble. You know, that's always that's a staple in any Roblox games. Then we have this Camille by Frosty. Looks like a artist kind of. Looks like a mushroom. I like this arm. I like this. Excuse me. Then we have this octopus, I believe, guy. 6 arms. Pretty cool. And how many more are there? This is just a freaking mist circle animation. Who's some? Okay. Then we have this spider woman. There might be lore attached. I'm not sure. And then we have this. Looks like a barista. I'm not sure if that's what it is. There's a lore document attached if you want to look at that. And am I missing any? No, I don't think so. Oh. Yeah. DVs again. Okay. And then this lamp lady by Karen. I'm not winning this because Baka will choose non-human characters. That's not true. Okay, so yeah, which one do you... I can decide it right here. Dude, Goofy VR, I'm gonna need you to control yourself, buddy. I understand You might be a teenager, you know, going through fuck, I don't know where I'm going with this. Control yourself. With that being said, I like the mushroom. Okay. What about mine? You submitted one, Sog? Where? Where did you submit it? Okay. Oh, this is close. Which design? This one's fun. I like the little blurb. I like this one. I also like Devi's a lot. Frosty's is really creative too. So is this. Worms. Oh my god. Camille for the one. Thank you, Muffled. Who to choose? Who to choose? Probably. Oh god. Best design? Not best design. These are all great designs. It's just if I had to choose, which one would be the most fun to implement and like have the most unique abilities, and it would just like which one would fit the best. I'm just gonna say it and then I'm gonna like drop my phone and run away. Because I don't know what the public opinion is. I think it's fine, but like I'm gonna say DV's Crypta takes the cake. Okay. Let me go over this. So just if anyone wants to, you know, win a future character contest, let me go through my thought process. So, a simple design, and what I mean by this, right, is how do I word this? This is gonna sound like a nerdy ass way to word this. There's not a lot of tries, and by tries I mean triangles, meaning it's optimized. Like it'll make for a simple mesh, right? It'll make for a simple mesh. It's very recognizable. Color palette's simple and it works very good. It could have some very unique theming / abilities, like because it's a robot. I don't know what I would do for like abilities of other characters, if that makes sense, but I can kind of get an easy feel for what I would do with this. But yeah, simple, easily recognizable, cartoony, good color palette. It was really close. All these were good. Oh god, they're typing. This one was really close. The thing is, I just don't know what this would do. Like, I don't know what this ability would like. So the point of these NPCs is that they help you raise your child, it's similar to the spirits from the OG game. However, they provide some kind of ability or assistance. Take for example, the red spirit from the old game had a attack, right? That would kill hostile enemies. The blue one would heal. It's that kind of feel. I just don't know what I would do with this one. I mean, yeah, you could do something with light. I really like this design though. I'm thinking I could do something poison related with this. It's just like, these are all very close. He loves simple. What the heck? Okay, Bluey, to be fair, I did hear you predict that like yesterday. Is that what you thought I was going to choose? Good morning, Turt. Up at 4, Turt. Getting after it. 4. That is what is up. Yes, Bluey. Okay, yeah, I know. Oh my god, Frosties. Okay, Frosties is really creative. I really like the creativity in Frosties. I wonder what she put. Oh my god, I love the artists in this server. The artists are like the pinnacle of society in this server. It's kind of interesting. Like in most, okay, I'm not gonna say most, at least in my server, the only normal human beings are artists. And everyone else is peculiar. That's just, I'm not saying nothing. I'm just noticing like data. I'm computing data in my head, and that's kind of what I found out. So I kind of realized just now how much I love art contests like this. Like if you go into art discussions, you'll see how like peaceful of a society this is. Okay, ignore whatever the hell that is. Karen is the exception. Karen's like has something going on upstairs, but other than that, it's like such a nice society over here, like in an artist only channel. Just like, you know, little sketches, people talking about lore. You know, it's artists are the high society of any Discord, really. It's kind of an interesting, like, you know, societal trend. I genuinely do not know what Karen is on, though. Like, Karen is genuinely such an outlier in this data. It's like a scatter plot with like a linear trend, but then there's just one dot, like 9,000 freaking data points above. I don't know why Karen is like, okay. But other than that, it's just like, we got Worm up in here. This is the guy who made the 6-arm submission. See, this is such a simple design. I love this design, but sorry, I'm getting off track. This was I think Bluey's unfinished one. It was like Pomni from the Amazing Digital Circus, you know, because Bluey's what the hell is I'm so sorry if you had like high volume. But yeah, anywho, I should probably get to work now. I'm gonna post a little message really. Okay, anywho, I should get to work. Okay. So I can either work on the jobs, or I can work on the child AI. Bro said Pomni. I'm kidding, Bluey. I know how much you love that show. Okay. Oh, I still need to finish Mr. Chicken Rocket's presentation on optimization. Oh my god! Oh my god. Okay, maybe I need to be... I'll be alone for a bit. Okay. I'm so sorry. Wait, was that Phil? Oh, hey, person. I know, it's person. It's 2:30 a.m. If anyone wants to get dragged, can let me know again. Unless your name is Karen. Anywho, back to this. I need to finish the Mr. Chicken Rocket video. If you guys don't know who that is, look it up. He did a 40 minutes. If you don't know, RDC just happened. It's like a developer conference, and he did a 40-minute video at the conference about optimization stuff, and I got through about 15 minutes of it, but didn't finish it. Are they working on the adoption center right now? Oh yes, it is. That must be why it's oh, interesting. Okay. Oops, let me lock the base plate. Person, I must know, since you're in a team, I believe, with Elios, are you guys working on anything at the moment? Just curious. Okay, so there's kind of a bug where oops. Oh, I was doing some stuff off stream. You guys want to see what I got done? Check out this sign building system. It's a little game. Isn't that so cool? And also you can place teleporters to Jolly Mart. This was not in the OG, but yep. You can now warp straight to Jolly Mart now. I still need to implement that, but first I'm going to do some freaking baby AI. Yeah, I'm the lead developer on Balls Tower Defense with Elios and some others. I played Balls Tower Defense. That's a funny name. I'm sorry. I'm actually mentally 2 years old, but no, I did play it. I think Turt sent me the link. I can't remember if you asked for feedback or not. I think I don't know, but my main thing was like try and find a way to make it stand out. 'Cause tower defense is very fleshed out genre already, so like anything really to differentiate it. Crap. I died. Okay. Oh, hey, Mashy. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna freaking work on the baby AI. There's this bug where if I get this little guy over here and just kind of let him chill. I think it warns me for overplaying an animation track, and I swear I don't replay it, but I don't know why it's giving me that. I'm just gonna let him sit for about a few seconds just to see if I still get the warn, but when does it happen? It's been 100 sitting ticks. Don't replay the animation track. Was it fixed? It's not warning me anymore. Spiky, dude, I'm going to anyways, I don't think I'm getting it anymore. I'll let this play out. Why is it? True Turt. I'm adding Hawks to... I can't even say those two words anymore. Those two freaking words are gone from my vocabulary for the rest of my life. I'm gonna be 80 in a hospital bed, say them, laugh a little too hard, and get like a heart palpitation and die because of those two words. They will never be the same in my memory ever again. Goodbye, Bluey. Okay. What? Bluey, I'm confused. What are you trying to say here? That I should lock this baby in a cage? Okay. Let's see. As you wish, Bluey. Yeah, you can actually do this. Oh, hey, can you come back here for a sec? Can you come back here? Can you stop moving? Okay, this works. Oops. I call this the baby bucket, right? And basically what you do is this. And then you do this. And then you got a little oddly shaped architecture right here, but it does the job. And let's put a roof over him. Roof over his head, right? Look. And now you can go get the milk, so to speak. And you don't got to worry about that. So what this does mean is I need to add some kind of warping such that, you know, he doesn't get caught on your kid doesn't get caught on any debris or anything. I'm not too fond of Hawk Tua. I'm more of a fan of kind of the intellectual debates that go on Talk Tua, if that's what you meant. Hawk Tua was interesting commentary on society, really, like how it really speaks volumes about the culture of American youth and how what passes from ear to ear the quickest. And she leveraged that to then discuss more intellectual debates on Talk Tua, which is what I'm more of a fan of. I mean, I understand the means to an end, right? You got to say the meme to get the podcast, right? But No, guys, you have to do recto def. You have to do everything in workspace. Yeah. No. What do you even mean by this? Okay. Let's back to the child AI. So one kind of issue I need to overcome is how am I going to do custom clothing if these are meshes? Haley Welch quoted that. Yeah, Turd, I saw that in her most recent thing. You do, Nilo? I know you do, because of your game. I saw you put that on your PS1 style character. Would you like to please enlighten me? I'll do anything. Okay, I'll drag you. Where are we? Oh. What's up?
What?
All right, shirts. How do I make it happen?
So, what you do? Well, do you have Blender installed?
No.
Oh, kind of need Blender for it.
Okay, so hypothetically, if Sussy Dark Dog was listening to this, what would he do?
He is. He's in chat. Look.
Oh hey! Oh hey! What? Speak of the devil. Okay. Anyways, you were saying.
So what you have to do is UV unwrap the torso, the arms, the legs, so they can fit with a Roblox T-shirt. That's how I did it.
So you unwrap the mesh.
Yeah. And put it.
And make it fit with the T-shirt.
Yeah.
Sussy, do you know how to do that?
He doesn't. You can always like have me.
I can like model multiple template shirts and stuff. Yes, somewhat.
Somewhat.
I think that's a yes in my translation. No, I'm kidding. So okay. Sussy, do you think there's any way we can do shirts as in texture IDs, like not mesh shirts, but just the texture ID? I don't know what Nilo said, but I know how to unwrap. Got it.
Not successful. Yeah. Then can I do it?
Do you know how?
Yeah, I've done it before.
So you're saying, Nilo, you can give this child a shirt.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sunny Crowd. Thank you, Smile. Sorry. Okay. Oh God. Oh, I feel like I'm contracting a freaking like black market criminal right now. Okay. I'm kidding. So. Okay. Here's the thing. This might be a little more complicated than we initially thought. So you know how like your kid will grow up, right? Assume this is a different mesh entirely. I'm just gonna like try and make it. Assume this is a. I don't know where I'm going with it. Okay. Assume it's a different mesh entirely, right? So, how would you make a shirt work with both of them?
Problem is, kind of can't with UV unwrapping.
Yeah, I
That's the thing with-
figured because yeah. Okay. Um. How are we going to solve this then?
It's me.
So. I'm trying to think. So. Can't make a shirt mesh that will unwrap to a shirt texture. No, person. There's no shirt mesh. What we're trying to do is put a texture ID over a model. That's not the base R6 model. Thank you, Mafu. I read that. Sorry, I was just locked in, but yes. Yes, sirree. Cam might be able to do it. Okay, You know what we could do?
But
A polka dot pattern? Interesting solution. So I had an idea. Perhaps. Okay, so for ease of programming, I think it would be wise. This is gonna sound lazy as hell. I think it would be just wise though to make the, so you know how in the OG game you either get a boy or a girl. In the OG game the models were slightly different because there was no shirt customization. Like the male model had like broader shoulders, for example. It was like minor stuff like that, shorter hair. TBH, I think it would be wise to make them have this, boys and girls have the same mesh, but like different hair, just like a long hair for a girl or something. I know that's lazy, but like that would make programming so much smoother, and we could do like a lot more. It'd be so much easier to do shirts.
why'd you say TBH?
Yeah, that's the solution I'm gonna go with for now. It's not lazy, Phil. I like to use the term forward thinking instead of lazy. Indubitably so. Quite exquisite play there, Sir Conius. You outsmarted them. Yes. Sorry. Okay. Says the unoptimizer. Oh my god, Nilo. You did not have to bring that up. Rose shooting shots. This is why you get pushed into lockers. Bluey. I am not in danger. I am the danger, Bluey. I push people into lockers. You have got this backwards. It's not lazy, it's smart. Thank you, Celius. Anywho, mewing sigma.
Bum 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 bonk.
I think the original thing I was gonna do today was fix the animation track bug, but I was not getting a warning for that anymore, so I'm gonna call it fixed. Anywho, let's take a peek into the child AI module, see what we want to expand on.
Local WS equals game get service workspace.
Nilo, with the jokes. You think you're the comedy genius bringing up my old programming, huh? Well, let's take a look into your first game, Nilo. You want to do that on stream?
First game?
You want to do that on stream, Nilo? You want to show the world?
My first game.
I swear, when I was starting out, workspace was not a keyword, so local WS made sense. Bro, I remember workspace not being a keyword. I vividly remember this. You have to cut me some slack.
Well, my games were peak. Like, simulator. What was it called? Wait, let me switch account. Mega Fun Obby.
Oh my god, the egg is here. Okay, guys.
The egg?
The egg is in chat. That's so sentimental that the egg is here because he was like one of the first members ever. He was like there when I was super tiny and like, you know, he might have been a little bit you know, not
weird.
Like not like a normal person, but he was there at the start, and you know it matters. What if you just make there be no genders for babies? Yeah, there's not. Like, well, okay. Thing is, Turt, there wasn't really in the OG. Like, it didn't have any model discrepancy or model difference. But people just like to know. So, like, I had the label anyway. Like, it's just like, I don't know. Like, people just like to know. It's like if you're a real life parent and you give birth, right? You just kind of, it's kind of like fun. It's kind of like good to know like what your child is, and you don't get. That was the worst analogy I've ever said.
Dropping is 360 mils for me.
It's like if you're a real life parent now. It's just cool to know. That's why you have the gender reveal party. What would you know about giving birth? Yeah, I don't know anything. I haven't done that yet. So I want to make this thing warp if it's out of range.
Like in Minecraft?
Yeah, like a Minecraft dog. Good analogy.
I love local functions and local functions.
Add online dating to the game. I'm going to add actually a hidden disease that afflicts online daters. It picks up on keywords in the chat and all that, and you don't notice it at first, but like you notice like bumps on your skin as you're playing, and it gets worse over time until you kind of turn into a little puddle of human, like you just dissolve randomly, and yeah, and then you get banned forever. It's like a permadeath essentially. I think that's what I'll add actually. Get sick. This is just follow owner.
Script looks so dookie.
Turt, shut up, Turt, please.
Box 2, a game called Paranoid.
So glad you got to 100K. Please don't turn into Kelligish. Yeah, I'm not actually his I'm not his third account. Luckily enough, that's not actually the case. There's only really room for one bald man with glasses, and that spot was just left vacant. So it's my time to shine now. Happy face. Yeah.
Should have add Yellowgish as a child muncher.
I should add Kelligish. No!
Yep.
Actually, I'm not going to do that. I just took it with my new channel. Mask! Mask! Oh my god, the ancient being has been resurrected. Mask is back. Hello, and thank you. And thank you. The shadow beast has returned. The alternate has returned.
Meow, 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 meow.
Turt, you better say hi to Mask. Mask is solely responsible for your thumbnail for your thumbnail plethora. I expect a very pleasant welcome message, Turt. Okay. So, I have it right now.
Fuck 2. Where?
DMs? Okay, I'll read DMs. I'll read DMs on my phone because I know cat icon would sound like probably I don't know cat icon these days. Could be like something nice, could be something very racist. Who knows? So just gonna look it out on my phone to be safe. I've been watching you since
What?
since
Cat icon did what?
DC. He didn't actually. Okay.
Thank you, Celius. Did you not just say hi? What?
Turt just commissioned
Hawk to a-
Mask for a hawk to his thumb. He needs a thumbnail with a hawk.
What happened, bro?
What happened to Turt?
Why?
What led to the mental like deterioration? Okay, so I have these empty methods. So child stats is an element, and it has a few variables. Oh, hey, DV, I have some good news for you. But I'm getting sidetracked. It has age, it has state. I wonder what state is. What the freak? Why did I make that?
So you can put the to Oklahoma.
No, not state as in state. State as in freaking...
Probably like sitting or walking, something like that.
Dude, what did I do child state for? Hold on. Let's scour the earth. Oh, it's like it's moving state currently. So like if it's sitting or if it's walking or something like that. So we don't really need to do that yet. Let's see. What am I gonna do for this? So
Sounds zesty.
no, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
How do I do this?
I think sickness is going to be from 1 to 100. I think hunger is going to be from 1 to 100. I think entertainment's going to be 1 to 10. Something like that.
Wait.
0 to 100. Hunger. No, not thirst. Get out of here, AI autofill. Entertainment. Okay, so here's how I'm gonna kind of structure this. So, can you add 20 trillion stats? Like, hit game, weird strict dad. Have you actually played Weird Strict Dad? I genuinely haven't played it. I think I played the plain version with Turt.
You did. You played.
Yeah. Was that the same kind of game? I think that was like the 4th chapter or something.
It's like it's the same thing, like over and over again.
Okay. Hold on. This is low-key a bit unoptimized, but I cannot think of a better solution at the moment. Because I inevitably do need to constantly update the sickness.
This is where meta tables would have been good.
Dude, I still need to research that. Freak. Can you, Hunger.
Person, meta tables are peak. You're just a hater.
Meta tables are a waste of time? Oh, damn. You're kind of getting some backlash. You know, I thought
you meta tables and everything.
Loaf and person are kind of against you. Uh-oh. This isn't looking good for you, Nilo.
You guys are bad scripters, and
you're saying Loaf is a bad scripter? Do you know Loaf's portfolio? Do you know who you're freaking talking to? I just stopped myself from cursing. That's a dub. Cursing is bad, guys. We are the civilized of the fan bases.
Cheese guy, you literally said that meta tables are peak.
Even Cheese Guy is switching up on you. Ooh.
Cheese guy, you haven't even used meta tables once.
What's your opinion on Lunchley? It's unoptimal. I only eat optimal food unless it's crumble. Or sorry. I mean, yeah. Just like, I think Dan's based. I'm just a sheep for Dan, to be honest. Like, you know, whatever he says, I'll agree with because I'm a sheep. But I'm a based sheep. There's a big difference, really. Okay. So. How I'm thinking about this is, Follow owner is the base case. It's if this was Java and a switch statement, it would be default colon, right? I'm actually better at Java than Roblox, but that's besides the point. So,
Good tell.
guys, do you think Roblox should switch to C# instead of Lua? I think Roblox should switch to JavaScript. Anywho, so if the kid's too sick, hold on, let me take off my jacket. It's hot in here. Okay, back. How and where did you learn to code? From YouTube. You know how it is with the tutorials on YouTube. I kind of failed learning like 6 times, but that was because I just binged videos and didn't do anything. You have to apply your knowledge to actually remember it. Meditate.
Meta tables are good. Thank you, Celius Meow or Liminal Meow.
Okay. I want. Okay, so if sickness is greater than 3, you need a level of 4 and higher to in the OG game, your kid would kind of like collapse. That's kind of freaked up, but like it would stumble. It's basically a stat to inhibit movement. So I want to give them some leeway though, like 0, 1, and 2 are safe amounts of sick. That's it. That's like in real life. If you have like a I don't know, freaking mild fever, sore throat, you still like, you just get on with your day. But so that's the first criteria. Then is sickness from it's from 0 to 100. I thought it was from 0 to 10. Oh, let's add a 0 to that 3. Okay. So. Okay. Now it's going to be if your sickness is 25 or greater, so a quarter, right? Then, if I believe this runs every quarter second. Okay. Okay. Ew. They capitalize. Did they capitalize? No.
I thought random.
Ew.
Wait, what?
They made it capital and yellow?
Wait, what the freak? Your math is wrong. Wait, what? It's not big. What?
Why is it Ohio?
Then you're doing, if math out random, you're probably doing random activity.
Oh, what the? Okay, now it autofills correctly. Interesting. So, essentially what this does is Oh, whoops, I'm stupid. I added an extra if. Okay. Your intelligence is broken. So, this is how I do all my random chances. Because random is... I'm sure a lot of people have seen the byte blocks video on how randomness is hard to code in. This is how I just do it.
Byte blocks.
So, yeah, it's just you set it to either the complete top or lower bound, and then this is the determiner of the rarity. So, don't say that name. What do you guys have? What? What?
Byte blocks like weird. His server's weird, and he said like pretty bad stuff in them.
Really?
Yeah.
What the cringe? But yeah. So basically this is how I do random.
B blocks, that's crazy.
Sickness is over 25 and random is equals 100. So essentially, if your sickness level is at 100, you're gonna have a hard time moving. Essentially, so. Pass instances, because I plan on using this. Why is almost everyone here mod? I think that goes to Alvin blocks. What? Why do you hate Alvin blocks? That's where I came from.
Alvin blocks is my go.
You're gonna be like, man, explains everything. Okay, what does he do wrong? Okay. I grew up on that guy.
Ultra, you can't even script.
What does Ultra do?
He does nothing. He builds a bit. That's it.
Oh. Wait, so Ultra... Okay, I'm trying to get all the identities down. Ultra is Ooze, who is Fonk developer.
Who's also Puze on Minecraft. And player 782K Roblox.
Okay, so...
And also Hyper on
Hyper,
Roblox
right.
as well. I just like Alvin Box because when he told me how to make an FE enabled gun, he made trail follow your gun's barrel afterwards for weight loop.
I don't quite understand that message, but I get the sense that
or weight loop.
I don't know. I feel like he's good for beginners, which I was at the time.
I'm lying. I didn't even watch many tutorials.
Quick little question, by the way: is attributes more optimal than having
Meta tables can fix that problem. Setting and getting attributes does 0.01 more client or server stupidity. I forgot what it was. Sends more information over for no reason. So metatables wanna fix that.
Okay, teach me metatables right now.
Bet. Watch my stream if I
Okay.
Roblox. I do have Roblox open.
I'm gonna convert over to Nilo's coding system.
Let me just create new module.
You don't need it for this, but it's good to learn. I do think it's genuinely more optimal. I think A-Box told me about it, like optimization stuff.
All right, so here, what you do, like module
Yeah.
name, skibidi, turn module. So what you do first, you always index your module with underscore index.
What does that
Is
do?
the module. It returns. No, it goes to this. It has nothing to do. I don't understand it as well. But you just do this, okay? You just do this. Don't ask me.
Okay, you just do it. Okay, you just do it. Got it.
Okay. Now you just create a normal function like function module. Oops. And cannot spell. Name new, for example. And boom. Now to create the
Okay.
meta table, view local self, which is self, set meta table.
Can you just show me an example of a meta table you have in your game?
My game, I can show my cursor. Here.
Oh wait, Gecko King donated. Thank you very much, man. Heart.
And
I love you.
Index up here. I create new meta table here, which returns self. Okay.
Okay.
Do it here.
Enhance. Pause. Enhance. Okay, let's analyze this. So, self? You're using the self keyword? Is this like a Java freaking object? What the freakazoid?
Hey, self is just a table, a meta table, which sets global variables for the table alone, like this. I use self here to put this scale tween. So
Loaf is tweaking and.
Where I love. Yeah, that.
Wait, can you go back? Can you go back?
Yeah. And then.
Don't listen to the haters. It's I mean, whatever's the most fast is objectively the best, but they're also saying that it's not even faster. But okay. Let's see.
Oh, so I create a new one, right? Yeah, I do all this, and then I do initialize to render step the mouse position, and if first person it goes visible or not, and then hit mark that just plays these tweens, which is good, and toggle this just enables it or disables it. So if you do where I do it in camera handler. This script's kind of dookie, but look, I put camera handler that cursor equals cursor GUI.new, which means I can access this from anywhere I want now. For the player. So this is all like loading stuff, but it's really complicated how I have my framework. But it's alright. So I have this loader get camera handler, and it hit marks the cursor, and this is right here. So I just use this as like multiple things, I guess.
Gotcha. If you could be so kind as to I almost forgot to take my creatine dust this morning, so I need to go get that.
Creatine dust. It's so delayed. Really? Wait, this is my chance. Oh, it's like this. You guys, I can't drag you. I don't have any access to this. I have to entertain y'all.
Okay, I'm back.
Oh, never mind.
Oh, thank you, Elbozo. Hey, FonkDev. Okay, so this is gonna be kind of a hashtag cringe moment. When I say I'm better at Java, I genuinely mean it because I have not fully learned dictionaries in Lua and Roblox yet, but I know what they are in Java. They're literally like maps from Java. I just don't know the syntax. I think it's something like something weird, like, hold on. Can someone tell me if this is close to right? This would be the key and this would be the value.
What is that? Oh, yeah. That's how it works.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oops. Does it get mad at you if you have two keys of the same nature? Yeah, okay. Okay, good to know. Oh, thank you, Gecko King, for becoming a high aura. Welcome. Thank you, man. Where was I? Yeah, so Abox told me, and he had data to back this up. This is not just Abox farting words out of his butthole. This is real. Something about using the dot, not the dot in itself, obviously, like accessing properties via the dot or find first child is unoptimal. So what Abox does is he does like very big dictionaries, and this is like very tiny optimization. He only does this in render loops where it runs every frame because that's when you want to optimize the most, right? So sorry, I just saw Ryba in the chat and my heart like singed up for a minute and I almost just died. But Abox does like these like insane tables of like he's working on a game about like disasters, and one of them involves water and waves. So the waves are actually a big mesh with systems of bones to make it look like a wave, right? And I think he has them all in a huge dictionary and modifies them, I want to say, that way. And since there's like a million bones and it runs every frame, that's why he had to do that, and it helped. So I'm going to start, moral of the story, I'm going to use more dictionaries and more variables because memory is not really a concern, but time is. Time complexity. I value time complexity way over memory usage, so I'll make more variables if it saves me a bit of time. Let's see. How am I gonna do this though? Where did this even come from? Oh yeah. I think I'm gonna stick with this for now because I do need to update this. Yeah, every This does need to be updated. I'm getting sidetracked. So, should hunger impact your kid? In the OG game, it doesn't. I don't think. Should hunger
so if it's less
your
than
kid?
20, then you get like your character, your owl gets a bit sick.
Okay. I'm also gonna make a local function. This is unrelated to anything I'm working on. Where's the autofill end? If I do any weird syntax, by the way, it's because I'm forgetting this language. I have a project for Java that I've been working on for a while. Okay. Why is my Discord named Cat Icon Edits? Because I love cat icon edits, maybe? You ever put that piece in the puzzle, Ryba? Haktua.
Have you seen that one alien Instagram person?
Yes.
Like,
I have.
oh, you gotta get that glorp.
Yes, Nilo, I'm.
Glorp. Is that the new Haktua?
Do you guys know what Haktua is? It's making its ways around TikTok right now.
Oh my god.
Elias, I don't know how they give the checkmark out. I think it's I think it's a little bit random, TBH. I tried to apply for Star group access, but they closed them until 2025. So what the cringe is going on with that? But that's not looking like that's gonna happen soon. Functions can modify the keys. It's all over TikTok. Okay, buddy. Hold on, be right back. I gotta pee. Nilo, tell a joke, and it better not be Haktua.
Okay. What did Hack 1 say to Hack 2? That was funny, right? That was funny. Hack 1? Hack 2. So, have you heard this new meme, Hack 2, going all around the internet? Wait. Please, no, please. I was kidding. I was kidding. Hawk Sigma to a Sigma. To Igma. What does that mean? What? I'm never going on Instagram Reels again, bro. What is this? Why is an ad play? Wait, you have to hear this.
That makes a man crazy every time.
And spit on that thing, you get me?
What's
This
one
meme
move
is
in
so
bed
funny.
that makes a man crazy every time?
And you get me?
What's one move in bed that makes a man go crazy every time?
Nilo.
That was Ryba. Ryba joined. Oh my goodness. Ryba, why would you do that? No, please. Don't do that. Don't do it. No, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry.
Sometimes you have to put a sick dog down.
Sometimes you have to put the hawk to the tour. That's what you should do.
Oh, got a little possessed for a moment there. Anyways.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, what was I even doing? Else if...
Making the child into a meta table?
No. If hunger... Sickness is going to take priority over hunger. If hunger is... Actually, no. Let's just do sickness only. Sickness is the only thing that's going to really impact this kid. So... I need to also make it so that it warps if the distance is too grand. So if Magni is greater than... What is... Oh. If you're greater than 70 studs, it'll warp. Else. Then it will jump.
Oh. The freak. Since when was there a 2D physics engine in Roblox? I don't know about that.
All right, let me read what you guys are saying. Can you add the monster from MPD? Maurice? Yes, I was actually going to, but as an R6 probably. It would look kind of out of place as this OG mesh. This is my first time commenting. I've been subscribed for a year. Thank you, hon. Can you help with a game? I can help with advice. Unfortunately, I have no time to do anything, but I can just say words. Oh my god. Thank you, Elias. I love you, Elias. I love you, Elias. If magnitude is greater than 70.
That's crazy. 70. Oh, yeah.
70 studs is not that much.
Stupid. That was like...
Oh, as a sticker channel emoji. I would. I would, but it won't let me add more for some reason. It might actually. I should go back and check, but yeah, it let me have 4 emoji slots when I initially did it. We have parent primary. Nice. So, Phil, if you're here, I'm sorry. What did you think was unoptimized about Plate Insanity?
Me?
Yeah.
Or Phil?
Or Phil, if you're here.
The entire... He played everything, almost everything, on the server. Like, animations on the server, VFX on the server. Most of the AI was unfair to the client because it was you know how server and client interact weirdly together? Yeah, he did not make it so the AI also moves at the same rate as the client for the player it's targeting, which makes fighting the AI and running away from the AI bad. Also, there's so many destructible parts in the game. It was like horrible. I'm pretty sure he didn't delete any of the parts until the round was over. So I probably was in. Also, he has like 10 million remote events.
So you would sum it up to effects and animations on the server.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, way more. Oh, whatever. Like in the lobby, it was at 170. I mean 1,700. But in game, 2,000, 3,000 almost.
3,000. What's a good amount is roughly 1,000, right?
Well, it's bit. It's like 150, 100. I hate this. 1,500.
Is this proper syntax? Yo. Oh, hey, Dimensional. Hi, Dimensional Chan. Let's try and enclose our baby in a sphere. Or, not a sphere, sorry, a cube. This is so cruel and unusual.
See, perfectly legal.
Hey, look who appeared. There we go. Perfect. Can you give us a bedtime story? Yes, absolutely. I will start giving personalized bedtime stories to members at the end of videos. That is called a business strategy right there, ladies and gentlemen. You gotta offer something of value. Oh my god.
Yeah. Thank you, Kyle.
Advice to learn Lua. It's actually the easiest programming language. Oh, I shouldn't say that. There's a million keywords and unique functions exclusive to Roblox, but it's like easy syntax. Watch. Okay. Apparently there's an anti-Alvin Blocks club going on here, but I actually like him. I watched him, so that's how I learned. Okay.
Yeah, Alvin Blocks is just for the beginners. Like, in the very beginning, before time even existed.
Python's easier, true. That you can make a case for that.
Who? Wait, Roblox Lua's better than Lua. Hey, wait, is Lua and Lua Lu just the same thing? I'm not sure.
I think Lua used like, I don't know, Roblox. Can you make it so that channel members have unique weapon? Okay. I know you can make it so that server boosters have unique perks in a Roblox game for Discord, but is that a webhook?
Yeah, you have to do like luau.org. Thank you, Celius. I'm pretty sure it's like a lot of API stuff.
I don't know if they have that for YouTube, is what I'm trying to say. But I should totally add a Discord server booster thing.
Sure.
You're here since 18K? Holy base. Is it?
So it's just autofill. I mean, type checking.
I love balls TD.
Yeah, balls TD is peak.
Kind of want to do a little tiny effect. You've been here since the sumo? The sumo event was the GOAT of events. Okay, let's rank all of the events we've done. I'm gonna go on my channel real quick. Look.
If you really look at it, it's not even that much. Things like
Tournament of Power. I really liked that one the second time through when I fixed the smash. Fog Event.
2.
These are major events, by the way. I'm not counting the smaller ones. Fog Event, Tournament of Power. Where was it? I swear there was one for Fitness Center.
4 Manhunt.
Sumo. And Volcano Island. Oh, those are all classics.
I love making a Roblox game, but only using free models.
Okay. Yes, it is. Of course, it's only natural. My worst
That's
video.
still your most popular video.
It's only natural. My worst video would be the most popular. It's ironic. Balloon event. I kind of want to do an effect for this baby warp, but I don't know what I want to do. Let's look at sound design. These are all the cats versus water sounds, by the way, so I'm thinking I can steal from the warped cat.
True OGs know Mups Diddy-Ass. Oh.
Blue balloon attached to the base plate killed everyone. Worst game ever was Mupp's Pizza Delivery. I mean, by performance, yeah. Best game was Cats vs. Water. I mean, technically Raise a Child has more visits, but its coding is so atrociously worse that it knocks it down. Cats vs. Water has the second most visits anyway, and it's like 10 light years way better than Raise a Child, so. Okay.
Local WS equals game get service workspace.
Do you guys want to look at Raise a Child code on stream? Okay. We're about to delve into the hell. We're about to delve into the diarrhea pot. Right here.
Pretty sure too, like fixed all of the workspace things.
Did he refactor all of it? Oh my god.
I think so. Why am I? Also, didn't you store like multiple billboard UIs just for the jobs?
I forgot this thumbnail. Okay, so you guys are gonna see. Okay, we'll go through it. You guys are about to see some atrocities. Thank you, Raycast. You guys are about to see some atrocities. So, firstly, let's go over to the jobs button. Right, when you're playing Raise a Child, it's wise to get a job just to earn an income. They are represented by these green circles. So, it's in the employers folder. You'll notice there's 5 parts, meaning 5 jobs. If we expand each one, that's funny. They each have a server script. Bad practice right off the bat.
Yeah.
Twinning movement on the server. On a server script that is duped 5 times. Okay, this is just the beginning. All models in this game are also unions, so there's that. What else? Oh yes, the chef minigame. Where is it? I thought there was a server script inside. Guess not. Okay. So, if we go into the store, we're about to see an local dummy toy. Most of you aren't code. Okay. I mean, yeah, I guess I'm not really so much as a studio channel as much as I am building more of a devlog, kind of just building whatever I want into a game, and it's usually killing people related. So I kind of understand that. Okay. But regardless, further we go into sellers, right? Oh, there's a lot of objects in here. I hope they each don't have a unique server script in that. Oh. Game, get service, tween service, then create, then play.
Brilliant tweeting. Okay. Brilliant.
This is just the beginning. Oh, the remote events are just dumped into the replicated storage, unsorted, nice, along with a random raining value, along with several models and several parts and unions, and a freaking GUI just chucked into replicated storage with no sorting whatsoever. Where is the entities folder? Oh, there is none. Right, it's just thrown in assets.
How did Will and Took even like navigate through this?
We have some interesting disabled scripts here. Entertainment script. What does this do? This is likely just inserted into a dog, perhaps. I don't know. Venom script. I assume that's a poison status. Infection script, same idea. If we go into the entities, let's signature entity. Oh, unique server script inside this as well.
This is all horrid.
Just whole freaking raycast right there. Oh. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. It's mostly an issue of the sorting. Good lord, there's no good usage of folders. Oh, fun fact. If you didn't know, doors are in a folder, and they each have their own server script as well. And would you be surprised to know that I had to go through each of these and add their unique end goal values, their position and their orientation, into a unique server script that all of them had, instead of just making it a module. Takeaway, guys. Takeaways to use a module. There's also random ass sound in workspace.
Show the doors coder. How to see doors.
I just showed it.
I mean, like your doors, the doors game you made.
Sounds. Oh, there's just a random sounds folder in server storage with only 2 sounds in it. Okay. Right. Anything in here? Why is there a script called Stoner? That's probably something too. Got it. I'm not even gonna question that. You get the idea. Use modules. Oh. 4i equals math.huge is insane. That is genuinely funny. That thought that you can just wait it out. What, 2 billion seconds? Can you wait that out in one Roblox session?
No, you'll die before it's even close to the ending.
I equals math.huge do task.wait 1 is actually genius. Secretly optimal way to keep track of the amount of seconds passed. So you don't have to create a seconds variable. Guys, we can watch my dear friend Nokatan when Frosty finishes the art for it. Oh, floating point. I don't like how you run over the baby. I'm gonna make it appear behind you. There.
How do you collision group?
Hey, bud. Watch 1 hour of copyrighted music. Okay. Okay, back to work. So, I think this is a good sound. I like this sound. Guns and zombies and Hawk 2, dude.
I did English and Spanish. Or Spanish. Base. Fire card. What is the base?
Duration for.
I think Roblox is like, I mean, YouTube is like advertising me right now because I'm getting like ads every 30 minutes.
Yes. Watch the ads. Yes.
Better slots. Oh yeah, I'm shooting my server.
Loaf, are you working on a find fish or fish to fill your bucket yet? Or are you guys doing that yet?
Cecilios. You leaked it? Wow, you leaked it, Colin?
I leaked it. Fuck. I mean, no. My no swearing streak.
You just said 2 million swear words in front of 33 children.
I didn't mean to. I didn't. Oh my gosh. I didn't mean to swear.
Rival was timed out by Catacon for 86K seconds. Hell yeah.
That's a cool little effect.
How is there a Nyan cat there? What the freak?
I'm 10? My brain cannot fathom there is 2014 kids in existence. Oh.
In your chat right now.
My goodness.
Sure.
Who is the youngest one here?
Probably Ryba. Rubadado.
Ryba? Is Ryba 13? Because in the stream, you can be below 13. The Discord, that's the minimum.
Ribadado. That's still stuck in my head, bro.
Karen or Ryba? Oh. Okay. Let's add a GUI.
Why did 8 people leave after he said the F word? Probably because their mother heard that.
Dude, I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. Don't swear, guys. It's bad.
Code is he's 20. He should have a job. He's 20 years old.
Yeah, it's my old age is finally catching up to me.
Did bro really try to use a UI the phone? A UI scaling on the Billboard UI.
Why the Riz is this invisible?
It's because it's so small. It's built like.
Oh, I know why. No. Watch this magic trick. Yep. Since you're my role model and all I want to be is like you, I'm gonna start swearing to my mother and father? Dude, I'm a force for evil in this world, and I'm going. I mean, freak. I've committed an atrocity. I've just ruined a child's life. No. That is the worst thing ever. Okay. Next, I should do drugs on stream to, oh, is that to further influence them?
Dude, why did Ryba just say funk Tua in my DMs? Well, not DMs.
Ryba needs help. I think it's, yeah,
yes.
That's just where we're at right now.
Why you like this? How you like this?
Zoned out for a second there. That's what happens when I go over 10 minutes without scrolling on Instagram. Just start having those like blanking moments, but I'm back together now.
You put that
So,
in the landmark.
If A-Box wants to fix this later, or pretty this up later, you can, but I'm just gonna do some of these UI, so. We're gonna name this kid Wallace Mart, inventor of Walmart.
That's a crazy name.
Wallace Mart. And yeah, so this is gonna be our kid's name. Wallace Mart. Thank you, Spag. Yeah, Jolly Mart. Okay. So I'm thinking for the UI, we have the Wait, what'd you say about funk?
You not heard this new music genre called funk going around all over TikTok?
Yes, I have.
Good. It goes like. I went from a hot to a jolly shopper. Oh my god, recast.
I think this might be a sign to end stream. I think we all just need a good long break.
Forever.
Yes, DV. I want to play Jolly Mart. I mean, I want to play Gartic Phone. My mind's actually deteriorating. Oh my god, this is horrible. Wallace Mart.
I'm dying. Bonk tour.
You are so dumb. Wallace Mart. Wallace Mart. What am I gonna do at 1,000,000? At 1,000,000, probably a big event. Do not play that breaking video ever again.
We needed this. This is what we need. Puck to it. Puck. Puck. Puck to it. But we need it.
I genuinely want to kill you in a video game.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That was a dank save right there.
Yep, you're getting banned. Reporting this.
You're banned. Thank you, queso.
You're literally queso though. I'm Skibbity Phantom Tax Farm.
I'm gonna copy the Plate Insanity UI. Thank you, P3. Thank you, man.
Freak. OGG. Oh. Skibbity 2 red.
Wallace Mart. Wallace Mart. Wallace
That sounds
Mart.
like a Bluey name.
I know, it's the creator of Walmart in the lore. Oh my god. Whoops. Wallace Mart. All right. I'm like being. I'm kind of at my wit's end. Like, can't really think anymore. But if you guys have any Q&As you want to finish off with and ask away, I already see one. Can I start becoming a dev on Roblox? Yes, it's the easiest to start on because it provides servers and multiplayer for you. That's kind of why I'm like staying. That's like a huge, nice thing that it does for you, because multiplayer is super hard on other engines, and Roblox just handles that all for you. But I think they take the largest cut of revenue.
Wait, Ice Bee Shooter, look behind you.
Anyway, yeah, the fact that if you're wondering what that was, he was playing my first video. It handles multiplayer for you, so that's why I love it. I did the thumbnail, SCZZ. That's the current progress. Oh shoot! Thank you, Raycast. Thank you. Raise a child to parenthood was like a hawk transitioning to a bald eagle. I saved myself. I'm not saying that series of words, so I had to sub in another word. Thank you. I started about 6 years ago. Only really became competent in the last 6 months, I would say, but we're competent enough. My journey, I want to talk about this in the video, but it's very sharp exponential jump about 6 months ago. I was like poo for 5.5 out of the 6 years, but then I locked in. Any animation ideas I could make? Biased, but a really good fight animation. I love fight animations. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna bounce, guys. My brain isn't working anymore. Thank you so much for 100K.